Then another thing I want to address are the people who are, we have been criticizing a lot the practices and the evil doctrines that are in Nigerian churches. But of recent, I started noticing that people started calling the men of God. I don't believe that they are men of God. But why should you be calling them men of dog? I had some people saying that. Yes, I even saw it written. Even on my own platform, people are coming here to write that these men of God are men of dog or something. I think that's what I saw written. Because they reverse the God. God, when you reverse God, it becomes dog. But why should you be calling people men of... You don't need to go to the level of derogatory. I am the greatest critic of these pastors. I am the greatest critic of what is happening in Nigerian churches. But why should you get to that level of derogatory? You don't need to be so derogatory by pulling people down and humiliating. And why should you even say son of what do you call it? Men of dog? For me, when you say men of dog, what you are doing is that you are actually destroying God. You are becoming an enemy of God. Because if you say they are men of dog, it is God that you reverse. So you are actually becoming, the enemy of God. You are now using the name of God in vain. You are breaking the commandment. Just because you want to humiliate a human being. Just because you want to disgrace a human being. Why should you want to disgrace them? We should rather be more concerned of saving them, of helping them, or of rescuing them, than, as if they cannot repent. We too were faulty one time, and we too are not perfect, but we also repent. What we want to do is that for them to change their practices. Once they change the practices, once they change the doctrines, everything is okay. They are good. Only the doctrines and the practices, they must change. We must not hate people. We must not hate individuals. We must not hate men of God. And I don't think they are men of God, really, because of their practices, but I want them to become men of God. So I'm calling them men of God. So people are saying, don't call them men of God. I want them to become men of God. I'm interested in them being men of God. But I know they are not. With their practices, doesn't prove to me that they are men of God right now. But I want them to become men of God. I want them to become, successful. I want them to be right. I want them to get it right. I want them to repent. I want them to change. I want them to restore and repair everything, that has been done badly. But, we must be able to see this difference between what I'm doing and being derogatory. I am not being derogatory in my remarks or in my attitude or in my teachings. There is a difference between what I'm doing and attacking individuals and personalities. My own assignment is not to pull down individual pastors or humiliate them. I'm not planning to destroy them or humiliate them. That's not my own assignment. My own assignment is that their eyes will be open. I'm coming to rebuke them for the evil that they are doing. I'm coming to judge the evil practices, but they personally I love. They personally I care for. And because if we begin to go that way, we are going to self-destroy. Love doesn't destroy people. Love doesn't destroy, others. But whenever we don't love people, even people who are wrong, even people who are criticizing, whenever we refuse to love them, we destroy not just them, but we destroy ourselves too. If you have been watching our videos and maybe you enjoy them, maybe you don't enjoy them, but still, we need you to help us spread the word. And for that to happen, we only need you to take 5 little steps. Please help us spread this word by liking the video. Then, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We also need you to press the notification button, and the way to do that is to click on the bell. You see the bell there? Click on it. Then, of course, leave your comments. Let's know what you're thinking about each video. And finally, we need you to go and share the word. Share this video on your Facebook timeline, on your Instagram, and every other platform that you have. All right? Let's win the world for Christ. Thank you so much. Peace.